What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be marking up a chart and showing you guys exactly how you can do the same thing in a matter of seconds. Alright guys, we are on tradingview.com if you want to look on a desktop platform, but I am looking at the currency Euro GBP. We are going to start by looking at the weekly chart. So when I start looking at charts, I usually look at higher time frames like the monthly or the weekly just to get a sense of direction where the market is going. You guys can obviously see that currently we're in a downtrend. We had a triple bottom right here. So we had 1, 2, 3. You guys can clearly see that. And it does look like it is trying to push up. Usually when I'm looking in the market, what I'm also looking for is M and W formation. So you guys can see clearly in the past market right around here, we had a beautiful W formation, went down, then up, then down, and then shot up. And you guys can see right here, overall we have an M formation, it went up, and down, then up. So it should go down. So it's hitting previous support right here. So what I actually see about right in here is a clear W. I don't know if you guys see that, but boom, let's mark it up right here. Alright, you guys can overall see that we have a W formation right here. It went down and up and down. Looks like we're going to see a good bullish market very soon here. I'm going to actually look at a smaller time frame. So we're going to go from the weekly down to the daily right here. So let's go to D1. Let's look at this chart. Okay, that's how we're looking. And boom, what do you see right here? Big W. So usually when I'm looking at the market, guys, I usually look at 2 to 3 time frames to get an overall idea on what the market is going to do. And we looked at the weekly and then we went down to the daily, and we do see once here a clear W. So why do I think this is going to go up? Well, in the past when you guys see W formations, the market usually respects that trend. So when we see a W, it means that it's going to go up. When we see an M like right here, that means it's going to go down. So you guys can see, boom, big M formation right here. It went up, down. So you guys can see that. Very clear, very distinct. It's not hard to tell. So right here, we have a W formation once again. So what I see here, if we zoom in, is a nice doji right here. So you guys see that little cross right there? That is a doji, that is a candle formation. So you can see that the market went down right here, formed a doji, it went up. It tried to test these levels of resistance, but it failed and it dropped back down. So you guys can see as well, these candles are trying to push past this previous support right here. And it looks like we're declining, if you guys see that as well. And I'm looking at the charts. It is 2:40 p.m. So this candle right here that we're currently on just opened up 40 minutes ago. I am at the PST time zone. So each day on the daily candle, a new candle opens at 2 p.m. PST. Just so you guys know. So you guys can see in the past couple of days, there were dojis. So Friday there was a doji, it closed as a doji. Then yesterday, Sunday, it closed as a doji. And then today, Monday, it opened up as a new candle. So it might try and test these levels. Let me put a support line so you guys can see. So the market might try and come down here, test these levels, but I don't think it's gonna do that. So just because the candle did open up right here, it needs time to move. It needs to go down and up, whatever it's gonna do. So this current candle right here, this little red dot, it's probably gonna push down here, try and test these levels of previous support, but it's most likely gonna decline and then shoot up. So we do see a W formation. It's trying to pass previous support, but isn't looking like it's gonna happen. So we should see a good buy on this pair. What I'm actually gonna do to make sure that this is a good trade is I'm gonna look at the weekly again and watch what I'm gonna do right here, guys. What I'm gonna do is grab my Fibonacci retracement right here. I'm gonna go swing low or swing high to swing low. So let's move it in the future so you guys can see. So boom. All right, we took our 100% levels to the top at the previous resistance levels, and then we brought the 0% down to the previous support levels. So you guys can see right there. So the most retraceable levels in the market, guys, are the 50% and the 618. So let me show you guys very quickly what I am talking about. So boom, right between these zones right here. Let's make this red so you guys can see it clearly. But you guys can see this red box right here is the 50% levels and the 6.1.8 levels. It is 628, but if you pull it up on your MetaTrader 4 app, it's gonna be 6.1.8. It really does not matter. It's just a couple of pips off, but this red box is where we are looking. So this red box right here is actually gonna be where we're looking for the market to go next. So if they are the most retraceable levels, then they're most likely gonna go up to those levels again. So we're gonna look right here. We are on the weekly chart right here. So it's gonna decline these levels, close above the 0% right here where previous support was, and then shoot up. So I'm gonna give you guys an update in a couple of days. I'm gonna post another video going over this chart, what happened, but I'm actually gonna leave it on the time frame so you guys can get a good look. All right, we're gonna look back at the daily time frame, and what I'm actually gonna do is put a horizontal line right at here. So that is where I think the market is gonna go. So we're gonna hold this trade throughout the week. I am buying the currency pair Euro GBP. I did my analysis. This is what I think is gonna happen, and we'll leave it at that. So thank you guys for coming on this video. I hope you got value. You learned some things that you currently did not know. So these are a couple of things that have helped me grow, make tons of money in this market. These are tools that you can find pretty much on any trading platform. But if you guys did like this video, please hit that like button. And if you could subscribe, it'll be right here. And if you guys have any questions, concerns, drop a comment below. But if you guys want to reach out to me and get connected on what I'm doing, then you guys can send me a message. My social links will be below. But thanks for coming on this video.